Your course success matters to me, and I want to make sure that you get the most out of this course. Now for this, of course, you should watch the videos. It's a video on-demand course, so you should watch the videos to get all the knowledge, and you should watch them in order, step by step, and of course also repeat videos if something is not clear immediately, or even repeat an entire section if you're not 100% sold on a certain concept. Now, watch the videos, but watch them at your pace. You can control the playback speed, and I would recommend that you utilize these tools to make sure that you don't get lost or you don't get bored, whatever might be the case. Now, also, don't just watch the videos, but if possible, code along and code ahead. I will often challenge you to solve something on your own first before we solve it together, especially when we work on the big course project, and I do recommend that you really try doing that. By coding along, pausing the video, trying something out on your own in your code, maybe failing and then fixing it, and then watching my solution, by doing that, you will get way more out of the course than you will by just watching the videos, which of course is also fine, but definitely consider coding along. And always, of course, compare your solution to mine to see why you might be facing a certain error, or to question your solution or mine. Maybe your solution is better. Definitely code along. And also use the code attachments which you find in this course. On the last lecture of every module, you will find a link to a GitHub repository with attachments or with code snapshots for the various course lectures of that module. And you can download these attachments to compare my code to yours and solve problems you might be facing and fix errors you might be getting. You also find slides for the given module attached there. Now, last but not least, if you have questions beyond the course, or if you want to implement something in your own project, or if you have a problem you can't solve, ask and help each other. We got a Discord channel to which you find a link in the next lecture, and we got a Q&A section which you can also use for course-related issues. Discord can be used for any kind of question, and I strongly recommend that you do utilize that, especially Discord. There you find thousands of like-minded developers, and it's a great place to exchange opinions, share projects, discuss problems, or simply have a good time. And if you follow these steps or these advices here, if you take that into account, then you should have a great course success and you should be getting a lot out of the course. And therefore, with that, enough of the introduction, let's get started. And in the next section, let's get started with setting up a new Django project.